Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to talk about Daisy Global, and we will talk about how to sign up with Daisy once the link is out. And the launch is targeted for 21st of December, so this is basically a week from now. And as the launch is approaching, people start asking what is the best wallet, what is the best Tron wallet to use to sign up with Daisy Global. And yeah, before we talk about the wallet, just a few comments on this website here. So this is not the official website, right? This is our team blog where we collect all the information, all the updates. So if you want to stay updated and want to receive the latest news, please subscribe to our blog. I mean, you can scroll down below here and hit the subscribe button, right? And whenever we post any updates or any news, you will receive an email, right? So yeah, what is the best wallet we recommend? So if you go to how to join Daisy, it will take you to this article here, and this is basically our recommendation. We recommend the Klever app. So this is a Tron wallet that is fully authorized by Tron, and this is the Tron's #1 recommendation as far as wallets are concerned. So that's a secure and decentralized peer-to-peer crypto wallet for Bitcoin, Tron, Ethereum, and many others. Let me go to this announcement here that you will find on Crypto News. Uh, and here you will find some useful information about the wallet. So you can store thousands of TRC10, TRC20, and ERC20 tokens, as well as Bitcoin, Tron, and Ethereum, right? So, and what we want to do, I mean, many of you own Bitcoin or Ethereum, but probably don't have Tron. So the easiest is to download the Clever wallet and then do the swap uh, in the wallet, right? And that's the easiest. I'm not saying it's the most cost efficient way, right? The most cost efficient way would be using Binance, especially if you're holding BNB coins. But first, let's have a look at the wallet itself. So I'm using BlueStacks, right, to run Android apps on my computer, right? And to find Clever, the Clever wallet, you just go to Google Play Store, right? And then you just search for it. Clever wallet, right? So this is it. That's the one. And it will show you the install button here, but since I have it installed already, it will show me uninstall. And then I just go to the wallet, I just open, and yeah, this is how it will look like after you confirm the terms and conditions. And yeah, I'm sorry it's in German here, but the upper button would ask you or would suggest to open a wallet, and the lower button would suggest to recover a wallet. So if you guys have a wallet already, right, you can use the 12 seeds, the seed words, the 12 seed words to recover your wallet. Well, I will hit create wallet, right? And now I have to set up a pin, right? And this is just a test wallet, right? So I can set up any pin just for yeah, education purposes, right? Yeah, you have to do it twice. It's a 6-digit code, and now you have to yeah, write down the seed words on a piece of paper, right? Don't do it on your don't save it on your computer, just for security reasons, right? And yeah, I'm doing it right now, so I can demonstrate to you how it works. Boop, boop. Yeah, please bear with me for a couple of seconds. I will do it as fast as I can. Okay, all right, I got it. So now I will click I will click on this button here, confirming that I wrote down all the 12 words, right? and now I have to enter them in the right order, right? Let me do that right away. Okay. What's next? Next. And sorry that it takes a couple of minutes, but you guys can basically forward the video if you don't feel like watching me entering the words. Okay, here we are. Salt. Any. All right, and then you just confirm, right? So, and then you just confirm that you understood the security warning, and that's it. Here's your wallet, right? So what you can do now, if you don't own Trons, you just send Bitcoin to this address here. You just click receive, so this QR logo here, and then you just copy the address and send Bitcoin to this address. Okay, you can do the same thing um, with any other crypto listed here, like Ethereum. Okay, so and if you own Tron, you can of course send your Tron directly to this wallet. Okay, so this is very easy, and yeah. So once you have your Bitcoin or Ethereum on your balance, you just go to swap. You see that little icon down below with an S, right? And then you just choose the crypto you want to swap, like Bitcoin to, let's say, Tron, and then you just yeah, enter the amount you want to swap. Right, one Bitcoin would be like 626,000 Tron, and then you just hit next, right? That's it. It will take a couple of minutes. I mean, especially if it's Bitcoin. Ethereum will be faster, of course. So yeah, this is how you swap, and then once you have your Tron on your wallet, right, it will appear up here, you know, and that's basically it. You can also buy the Klever token if you want. This is the native token of the Klever ecosystem that has a lot of potential to my mind, but it's up to you. It's no financial advice, by the way. And then once the Daisy link is out, right? Once the Daisy link is out, we go to the web browser. You know, you see that little icon down below with a globe. So uh, this is where you will enter the URL, right? This is where you enter your referral link, okay? And anything else will be self-explaining, right? It will ask you to pay for the first pack. The first pack is $100, and yeah, anything else will be automated. Commissions, you know, the purchase of the packs and all that stuff, okay? So yeah, you will find the link to the Klever wallet down below. I mean, I will add two links, one for the Google Play Store and one for iOS for iPhone users and iPad users, right? And I will also add our blog down below so you guys can see the whole thing with screenshots, you know. So this is where you find the browser, you know. This is where you find the swap function, okay. So, and if you still have questions, join our Telegram group. You will find the link here or down below. And yeah, and basically ask your questions. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.